Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin. The other day I did a game day hot dog appetizer, that big 20-inch hot dog. Well, I used Ballpark beef, all beef franks, and you know, Ballpark franks claim they plump when you cook them, right? And well, I noticed that when I did my game day hot dog, I sliced them and smoked them that way. And I noticed when I put them back in the baguette, in the big 20-inch bun, the hot dog shrank. So my question is, and I know it's because I sliced them in half, but since Ballpark hot dogs, all beef hot dogs plump when you cook them, I'm just curious, do they plump when you smoke them in a pellet grill? All right, so for scientific purposes, let's find out. Okay, so here we are. I got my sterilized tape measure here, and just for, you know, scientific purposes, we're going to find out, do these Ballpark beef franks plump when you cook them? All right, so we are right at 5 inches. All right, guys, 5 inches. That's what the Ballpark beef frank is. How wide is it? Well, let's just check. I don't have a micrometer, so we're going to have to just eyeball it. It looks like right now we are 15/16. So it's a 1/16 of an inch off of 7 inches, or not 7 inches, off of an inch. Since I'm starting at the number 6, goes to a 1/16, so 15/16. All right. So let's go throw these on the grill. I'm going to do 3 of them regular, and then I am going to, because I sliced one in that other video, I am going to cut one in half because I like to cut them in half, and we'll see how much the cut ones shrink. And also, if you use a slot dog or if you cut them diagonally, they're going to shrink. So there we go. We've got them. I've got them on my. I've got them on a rack just to get them on and off easily. And of course, feet side up. So let's get these out on the pellet grill and see how they do. Pit Boss Lexington. I've got it at 225 degrees, and here are our Ballpark hot dogs, Ballpark franks, plump when you cook them. All right, just like when I did my game day dog. One's cut open, the other 3 are not. I didn't put any rub, no binder or anything. We're just going to let them get all smoke flavor. I'll be back in 45 minutes to an hour and see how they're doing. Probably an hour. All right, that's what I did the game day dog at, and they had some great colors. So we'll check back. We'll see how we do. Like that, 1 hour. Oh, look at that. Looks like they actually do plump when they cook them. Let's go in and give them a measure. Okay, inquiring minds, right? All right, so pellet grilled. Looks like, uh-oh. Looks like we shrunk a 1/4 inch there. And we had 15/16. Woo, that's hot. Okay, and it looks like we are 1 inch. So it plumped a 1/16 of an inch. Not that impressive. If it plumped when you cook them. They looked like it when I took them out, but maybe they deflated. Underside did crack open, and yep, looks like all of them cracked on the underside. So in the pellet grill for an hour at 225, you know, hey, what can I say? They plumped 1/16 of an inch. And what did I say? Did they lose a little bit? They shrunk a 1/4 inch. Actually, they shrunk 3/8 right there. 3/8. Hopefully you can see that. I'll zoom in on that for you. 3/8. Shrunk 3/8 length and grew 1/16. All right, the one that I cut open. So if it was, boy, it shrunk down to 4.5. So it lost a 1/2 inch. And there's no way to really tell this way. Looks like a good inch, but it shrunk a 1/2 inch. Shrunk it half an inch, shrunk 3/8 of an inch. See if they're all the same. Yeah, those 3 are pretty much all the same. All right, well, there you have it. Let's go out and talk about this. Okay, well, there you have it. Inquiring minds, right? Scientific facts. We put this hot dog in the Pit Boss pellet grill at 225 for just about an hour. It might have been 55 minutes. When I took them out, they looked plump. When they sat not even 2 or 3 minutes, they kind of shrunk up, and actually just a few more minutes in the bun, they look like they shrunk back down to regular size. In all fairness, Ballpark doesn't tell you how long to cook that hot dog. It doesn't tell you time, temps, or anything. So maybe they'll stay plumped up, but I doubt it. There you go. Let's see if they still taste good. I will say, the Ballpark, I'll be franks, are still pretty darn good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Hope you have a great day.